How to set multiple alarms in clock. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that I will simply open clock app. After that you guys will see alarms, also you guys will see plus icon, and in downside you guys will see alarm, world clock, stopwatch, timer. So for multiple alarms I will simply click on plus icon. Here I will set of first alarm. So for example I want to set multiple alarms at once. So our first alarm will be, for example, 2020. After that select the ringtone, and also you guys can select snoozing time, for example up to 30 minutes, but I will simply select 10 minutes. After that click on done. Now you guys will simply click again on plus. Here you guys will select same time, but you guys will select 1 minute more, for example 2021. Now again snooze time 10 minutes, back. Now click again on done. Now our first alarm was 2020, the second was 2021, and that's how you guys can add multiple alarms. So the main benefit of this alarm will be that each minute your phone will be ring. Even if you off it, the new alarm that you set it will ring. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.